Hello, I'm Bill Peterson, Minnesota probate attorney. Every year, millions of married couples decide to go their separate ways. While the reasons may vary, some couples choose to live apart but do not go through the divorce process. Regardless of the reason, couples who separate but do not divorce can face unique circumstances if one of them passes away. A Minnesota couple, we'll call them Alan and Margie, were married 10 years ago. While they started off with high hopes, their relationship deteriorated over time, and they eventually separated 2 years ago. They did not divorce as they wanted to keep things open in case they got back together again. Last winter, Alan was plowing snow when he began to feel a tight pain in his chest. Later that night, he passed away in the hospital from a heart attack. After Alan died and the shock wore off, his mother and sister felt they should get Alan's estate. Margie asks, "Do I have any rights to Alan's assets?" Under Minnesota law, the answer is yes. If there is no prenuptial agreement or will, Margie gets his estate. Even if Alan signed a will that had left Margie out, she can submit court papers called an election against the will, in which she can obtain at least a share of the estate for herself. It is important, however, that Margie acts reasonably soon after Alan's death. Now, Alan's own family could divide up his personal possessions under the mistaken belief that they're entitled to those things. It's always more difficult to get the assets back after they've been distributed. If a will has been produced and submitted for probate, Margie needs to file her election with the court within the deadline provided by law. In their case, as in many other probate situations, time is of the essence. The decedent's family and spouse should contact experienced probate attorneys soon after the death to make sure that their rights are protected. I'm Bill Peterson, Minnesota probate attorney. If you've lost a loved one recently and there are accounts, real estate, or issues of personal property that need to be resolved, call me toll-free from anywhere in Minnesota or across the country at 1-888-910-5297 for a free, no-obligation consultation. Thank you, and have a great day.